guys, new subscribers, welcome to my very first subscriber special! Damn, I felt like Oprah. And I might as well be the Oprah of the cats. You get a treat, you get a treat, you get a treat! So when I started this channel, I vowed that with every milestone, I'm gonna do something very special for the cats. The first milestone was supposed to be at 50,000 subscribers, but I had my finals back then, and I really didn't have the time for it. But now that I do, I'm at 70,000 subscribers. Milestone upgraded. So in today's video, I'm on a quest to find 70 stray cats and feed them. I wish I could feed 70,000 stray cats, but yeah, I'm too broke for that. I'm still a student. But yeah, this is my way of thanking you guys for tagging along on this beautiful journey of mine, and I'm really hoping that this can become a tradition. So mark my words, at 100,000 subscribers, 100 stray cats are gonna get fed. So without further ado, let the journey begin.
It's rolling.
It's rolling.
Oh,
Let's do this.
I'm ready.
Grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I almost broke my eye for this.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience, one day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna rise to the sun. Step 2. Get some good, some glory, yo. Step 3. Grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be